it's time for another unboxing video. So yeah, I get really excited when I have like a whole bunch of mail and PR boxes accumulated, and I like to unbox them with you guys, and that's what we're doing today for I think the zillionth time. But I enjoy these videos, you guys enjoy these videos, so let's do it. Okay, first up we have this guy. This one is from YAVI. They have sent me a really sweet handwritten note, and they actually had something that was happening here while I was gone and while I was in Malaysia. But what have we got here? How cute is this? So you guys know I love anything that is dyed and has a whole bunch of colors, and this is just really pretty. Very unusual colors because I've done a lot of tie and dye myself, but you know, people usually like favor pinks and oranges and stuff, and I think this is more subtle colors, but I feel like it works really well. Like it works with what I'm wearing as well. So yeah, thank you guys. Next up we have two things from Uniqlo, guys. That's how long I was gone for. They sent me two PR packages. Let me start with this one. This looks really cool. This is their UT you know, shirts. You guys know I love them wherever I live in them, and yeah, this is one of the collabs. Wow, look at the colors on that. That is pretty cool. And in this guy we have, oh my god, I could have actually taken this on my trip. So this is the It bag from Uniqlo that everybody has been talking about. Actually, I remember, I think even Diet Sabya spoke about it. Basically has a zillion pockets, and there were many TikTok videos on how this bag actually fits a lot. Like it looks small, but it fits a zillion things. And yeah, it's a nice color. I'm more of a black or like tan person when it comes to like everyday bags, but this is great for travel. I would have definitely taken this on my trip, but now I have to go on another trip to take this. Thanks guys. Up next we have something from Aveda. So you guys know I've been loving their shampoo and conditioner lately, so this is something new. Oh, this is one of those shiny silky pillowcases that are great for your hair and that avoid frizz and all of that. Love these. I actually had one more of this that I use a lot of. And here are the products. So what are these? So this is the Scalp solution line, which I am quite chuffed to try because you guys know I have a flaky scalp and my scalp is usually not in order. So we have the shampoo, we also have the conditioner, and this is, oh, the exfoliating treatment. Now this is something I'm really excited to try because I've heard a lot about, like, you know, scalp exfoliating treatments, but I've never really done any. So yeah, I feel like this would be good. Let me know in the comments if you guys want me to review this once I try it. Happy to do that because I'm very excited about this. Okay, this one is really heavy. What do we have here? I think these are drinks. I think I've gotten them earlier as well, or mixers rather for drinks. Oh, there's some snacks as well. Yes. Okay, so they have cucumber mint, and this is mango lush, new flavors. These are really yummy. I've actually tried these in the past and I really enjoy them as well. And they've also sent me a candle and some snacks. So yeah, I think it's time to have a summer party. Up next, we have something from Onitsuka Tiger, one of my favorite brands. And oh my god, look at these. These are so beautiful, guys. I cannot wait to wear these. Love the color. They're like a nice military green and black. And yeah, I would have also taken these on my trip and worn the shit out of them because they are pretty cool looking. Now this is from Papa Don't Preach, and I think I know what it is because I think I ordered this. Let's see. So I bought like Shubhika and Alok's collab, like their jewelry collab. I bought a piece from that, and I am very excited about this. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw this before I left because that's when I had ordered it. I got this really cool ring, which I thought would be like really nice to just wear on a thumb, or even like just add it on to like, you know, my stack. And yeah, I love hearts and like statement pieces, and I feel like this one is pretty statementy. What do you guys think? This one is a big one. It is Nykaa summer sale that is over now, guys. It was happening while I was on my trip, and they sent me a whole bunch of products. Wow, there is so much stuff I haven't tried here. Oh, I love this. Do you guys remember this? And yeah, can't wait to try a lot of new products. Thank you, Nykaa. Some more drinks. Sepoy Co do some amazing mixers, and I think they had a new flavor, peach lemonade. This is what I am really excited to try, guys, because you guys know I'm obsessed with peach. And yeah, there's lots of others as well, but yeah, I love these. Like, these are great mixers if you want to have them with like gin, white rum. You can make some great cocktails, and yeah, that's what we are gonna be doing with this. And we have a big guy. Okay, so this is from Soap and Basil. What do we have? Ooh, okay, clothes. Very excited about this. A whole bunch of outfits. Very excited about this. I remember them messaging me and telling me that they wanted to send me something. Let me show you what I got. First up, there's this really pretty blue and white dress. How cute is that? Love the colors in this. Then look at this, yellow and blue. Like, what a great combination this is. And these are great for summer right now. Like, while it's boiling, I really will be living in these. And the last one we have is pretty cool. It's a jumpsuit, and it's like tie up on the top and like really cool, like really big baggy legs. I can't wait to actually like style these outfits because I feel like they're all really cool. Thank you, guys. Up next, very excited about this. This is the M.A.C Locked Kiss. This was my favorite lipstick, I think last month, the one I bought in Singapore. They sent me some more shades because it's launched in India. And I can't wait to swatch these for you guys. So they sent it with this really cute little bag, which I'm definitely going to be using quite a bit. It looks really, really cute. I have 3 shades. So the ones I have are Meticulous 67, Ruby True number 88, and Doyen, I think, number 80. I don't know. Okay, let's go. I'm going to swatch these on my hand for you guys so you can see them. You've already seen them, the pink one on my lips, the one I have, and I love the texture of that. Just doing this first shade so you guys can see it. So these are the 3 shades that I currently have, and yeah, I have the pink one that I've used already. Let me know if you guys want a more detailed like first impressions on this, or actually should I do an updated favorite lipsticks? Let me know in the comments. So guys, those are all the boxes and packages I had to open today. Thank you for sitting through this, and thank you to everyone that sent me stuff. I absolutely love everything. Comment below and tell me what your favorite PR package from today's video was. Also, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, like, comment, share. See you guys. Bye.